Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see two important factors which needs to be considered in the share market. One is money management, another one is productivity. I will give you one small example for the money management. Usually we will do lot of research and finally end up in buying one share. We have a doubt how much amount to be invested in the first time. So with some doubt we invest like 50,000 or 70,000 or 1 lakh with the confidence that the share will rise. Later, after some point of time, the share will get corrected and you have to continue average it out or accumulate it. If you do not have a proper money management, you end up in putting more money and you do average, and finally if the shares correcting more and your portfolio will show more negative than the normal index return. The reason is that your exposure is more to a particular stock, rather your investment is not diversified properly. Hence you have to have a predefined conditions in your investment ideas to control the money management. Next one is the productivity. You might be a working personnel, you continue work in your office, and also you have to concentrate on looking at your portfolio performance in the trading time. So you continue focus on your brokerage application, whether your share is going up or down. Finally you will do nothing in the end of the day because you do not have a proper calculation or the appropriate condition for your share trigger. Though you know what is the target for the particular share, if you have more number of share, more than like 20-30 share, you cannot remember all the share target for the sell, also for the buy. Hence you will end up spending more time on looking at your brokerage application. To improve the productivity, you have to smart enough to create proper condition upfront, and then you have to spend lesser time during the trading time, so that will help to focus on your job. In this video we will see high level how the money management and the productivity is managed using the Google Sheet. I will explain the high level information here in this video. Later in the upcoming videos we slowly dig into the individual conditions for the investment plan which I have made. Example, here I had made like blue chip, and then I have like a long term stocks, I have Nifty ETF, and then I have some investment in gold ETF, I have a investment in another broker. So I have this two in SBI cap, this three I have invested in Edelweiss. This first two investment, if you see the blue chip, I have like 20 share which I can track using this Google Sheet. I have predefined buy and average buy, also the sell and mini sell. The predefined condition will help me to advise how much is the buy quantity, how much is the buy price, also how much going to be the average quantity and average price whenever the price get corrected, and this will automatically will pop up. So I have some predefined investment plan, like the initial investment for this blue chip will be 4,000 for the single stock. Like for the long term stock I am tracking almost like 106 stocks, whereas wherein I have like 2,000 per share for the initial investment. I have made some color here. These are all the growth stock wherein I will increase my initial investment from 2,000 to 4,000 up to the cash availability during that time. The next one is like I am tracking Nifty ETF, almost like 64 ETF I am tracking. Similarly gold ETF I am tracking 10 gold ETF. In addition to the previous blue chip and long term stock, here I am tracking almost 30 stock here. Few stock might be the additional, or it will be same as the blue chip or long term. In this I am tracking almost like 250 to 300 stock as a overall investment. This is like a too much diversified. However, since I have more number of stock, I could not be able to track using a brokerage application alone. So the Google Sheet will help to increase the productivity as well as the money management. How the money management is controlled is, I have predefined condition which I had provided part of a formula that will help me to advise whenever the target is reached for the buy as well as sell. So that will be controlling my money management, because I have predefined. Example, if I start for the first buy after 20% of correction from the 52-week high, if the stock corrects up to 50%, the potential for the upside from the corrected 50% is again 100%. If you see, based on my strategy on predefined condition, my portfolio, the percentage negative will go down only to 13 to 12%. So when the stock corrected from 52 week high to 50% down, still my portfolio will not be that corrected much. Also, I have a potential to generate profit when the stock turns positive, because I have an opportunity to sell. Either I can sell the whole quantity in a one go after reach the target, or whenever the last buy giving a 15% or 20% according to our predefined condition, this sell will trigger me and say me that your target is reached. That will help to sell my stock, and then I can generate profit partially. The similar way, the first buy also is using calculation we have made whenever because the price we are getting automatically in Google Sheet. So the first buy, whenever it get triggered, then automatically it will give a buy signal here. Also, whenever we buy first time, the next average buy based on predefined condition, whenever it reaches, it will trigger to give a signal of average buy. We will see the portfolio performance, as well as if you have a similar stock in your portfolio, we can track together in upcoming videos for all the stocks, how it is performing on every day or weekly or twice or thrice. Also, how I am tracking, whenever it triggers, it will come to my home page that it reaches the first buy or the average buy or sell or mini sell. Wherever the changes to 50-week high, also it will reflect here. This is my portfolio performance. Also, whenever the sell trigger, it will automatically show me here and which are all the stock in the sell side. If it is a buy, it will show the buy information on this side. How do I get to know is, I have a program in Google Sheet that whenever it reaches this sell or buy point, it will give a mail notification. From the mail notification, I will come to the Google Sheet. Nowadays the Google Sheet you can install in the mobile itself. So you can open the Google Sheet and you can see to this first page, the home page. You can see which stock in your sell mode or which stock in a buy mode after seeing the notification in the Gmail. Of course, this is having a 15 to 20 minutes delay from the live data, so this may not be useful for the intraday traders. This will be more useful for the short, medium and long term investors. Those who is not focusing 100% in share market, instead they are focusing on their work. This will be more helpful. In coming videos, we will see more into this concept and how it is working. All that we will slowly one by one will see to that. In addition, we will see how the stocks performing based on the portfolio which I have segregated here. As of now, in terms of the portfolio performance, I can see the individual portfolio perspective. The Nifty ETF performance is very good for the last 3 months, and similarly the blue chip giving a good return. The long term is comparatively a less return. Gold ETF is in the negative side. Edelweiss also is a lesser return. As a overall, it will be differ, because most of the individual portfolio return we should not blindly look at only this value, because whenever I make a profit, that will come to a balance money that will goes to the overall performance. So as a overall performance, still we are good in this 3, and this 2 we have to improve, especially on the long term stock which we have more, we have to generate more profit to that. There might be another reason, the brokerage for this Edelweiss will be lower, the SBI cap will be more, so we have to put more effort to create more improvement on this. So the next coming videos we will get to know more information about this. If you like this video, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.